Let me show you step by step how to connect your Wi-Fi repeater to your Wi-Fi router, so you can actually boost your range of your Wi-Fi signal in your home, and also how to configure this thing. So first, what you want to do is on the back, as you see, you have your IP address listed of the repeater. Also, if you have the username and password printed here, also make sure to take note of that. So yeah, once you actually plugged in power, it takes maybe like half a minute to boot up. And there are two different methods how to connect basically to your Wi-Fi router and set it up. So first is if you simply use a WPS method over here, so you can pause video here if you want to see. Essentially, so if your Wi-Fi router box has got WPS mode, you would simply press that WPS button on your router, wait maybe a second, and then press this WPS button on this repeater as well, and they should both connect together. And in your Wi-Fi settings, basically if you, for example, are trying to connect like a PC or phone to it, again, so if you go in your Wi-Fi settings, you should see a new network coming from this Wi-Fi repeater, which you can connect to. But yeah, if you basically do not want to do that, if you want to connect directly, so this is how we do it essentially. So on a PC and also phone we can do it. So we would simply go to our Wi-Fi settings, so open the Wi-Fi settings, and basically, so you see, it simply creates a new Wi-Fi network that we have to connect to. So you see, connect automatically. So you see, yep, it's going to connect with no internet here. Also, it might open this prompt here as well and open this web portal where we can set it up. If it doesn't, so simply take a note of the IP address listed on the bottom of it, and simply in your web browser enter the IP address here. So by the way, these repeaters have like two different versions. So this is the newest one. So for the newest one, it's this address. For the oldest one, this one. So simply try which one works. So see, and then it gets open here. So you can set it up here. Again, this portal might be different depending on your version. Also, if it asks for username and password, the default is admin and admin. Oh, also, by the way, make sure your Wi-Fi router that you are going to connect to is running in the 2.4 GHz network as well. Otherwise, this won't be able to find it. So you see, then we can simply go over here, and it's going to scan for all the Wi-Fi networks in your area. So, and you see it found my Wi-Fi network, so I can click on directly, or also I can click manual setup here if you want to enter your Wi-Fi network details manually. But we are going to click over here and then simply enter your Wi-Fi password here. So on your original Wi-Fi network. So this device can actually connect to your Wi-Fi router. So let's click finish, and that's about it. So next, wait maybe like extra 20 or 30 seconds. And then if we go again in our Wi-Fi settings, you should see a new network appear here. For example, mine is called this. This is, for example, my main network, and this is a one coming from this repeater. So ext at the end essentially. So again, enter the password. So it's again the same as on your main Wi-Fi network. Click connect, and as you see, it's connected, and I can basically take now internet from this Wi-Fi repeater instead. So again, previously, so for example, let's say this was my Wi-Fi router and I was taking directly the connection from this Wi-Fi router, so from here to here. But for example, if I'm very far away and basically the Wi-Fi router simply can't physically like give signal to this because the distance is too large, so I simply place this repeater then in the middle between my Wi-Fi router and PC or phone or whatever you have. And then, so yeah, once I connect to that network there, my PC essentially first connecting to this repeater and asking to fetch the Wi-Fi signal from my router. So it's then fetching basically the Wi-Fi signal from my router, passing it along this, and this is basically passing along the signal to my PC essentially. So again, there is like, yeah, basically such loop essentially, and you can essentially double your range of your Wi-Fi network this way. And again, also we can set up using a phone as well, so it's the same setup. So you would simply go in your Wi-Fi settings, find the extender Wi-Fi network, that you can connect to. Click on that. So I see I currently already connected to it. So in the address bar, again, enter the IP address of your router, and you see you have access to the settings and you can configure just in the same way as you could on PC. So again, very easy setup overall. And yeah, overall, this repeater actually is very decent indeed, especially for its price. So again, if you also want to get it for the cheapest price possible, simply check out those special discount links I'll leave in the description. So for right around $3 or $4 with free shipping from AliExpress, this is pretty much unbeatable and actually works pretty decent if you want to extend the range of your Wi-Fi router. Also, if you need a manual of it, so if you perhaps have lost it, so I can also pause the video here or see more about it. Okay. Also a bunch more stuff here. Okay, and yeah, overall for this price again, absolutely unbeatable. Good luck.